So it's an adventure walking around a boatyard.
Dave has just taken off the front cover because he's going to have a look at the heating, and Kit, I don't believe it, she's trying to climb up there. Is trying to find new places to play. And he's there, well, look, working down there. So, ooh, what's he doing? Can I have a look? She is such an inquisitive cat. So now he's going to lift up the floor, and look, Madam is on the step. Oh, what? Let me have a peek. Oh, she's going to get down there. She says, I'm sure I can get down there. Oh, hold on. That floor's getting lifted up. Yep. Any second now she's going to be down in the engine bay, because that is what she does. She sees a hole, she has to go investigate. Okay, wrong animal going down in the bay. I thought it was going to... Oh, there she goes. There she goes. Yep, she's on. I expected Kit to be on, and it's Dave went down first. Right, Dave's checking, like I said, the heater, because he said it's not... There's a little head. Putting out as much heat as normal, and there she comes squeezing back up. Sorry, I got sidetracked, and it's just pulled out this chunk of hair from the cats. Now,
One of the problems with having cats.
our carpets gets cleaned, vacuumed at least once a day, sometimes even more.
Just love the sunsets at this time of year. So one of the little businesses we have in the boatyard at Hull is Cain Narrow Boats. Tucked away right at the top end of the boatyard. Up past the caravans there's a little assuming place here, a red container, a caravan, and as we approach you can see Laney's van. They take bare-bone hulls and convert them into fantastic little narrowboats. There's one that they're working on currently. They fit out the interiors and fully paint to customer specifications. So they're fully customised narrowboats. This is quite a lengthy beast that they've got in right now. From the sound of the cutting going on inside, Laney's busy working. Not disturb her today, but we'll catch her at some point before this boat is launched. We have a bit of major surgery going on as well on our lift at the moment. New wheel bearings going in. This is going to be out of action this week, unfortunately. I'm sure the guys will get it sorted.
Hi, Laney Cain of Cain Narrow Boats. We build brand new, bespoke, wide and narrow beams.
How long do they take typically?
Every 4 months we put out a brand new boat. So we've had a shell come in, built it out of the customer once and then sent it out, and then a new shell comes in.
Excellent. And do the customers provide their own shells, or do you source the set shells?
No, we source the shells. We've had the same shell provider for the last 12 years. We work with small companies, so it's a small business, small family-run business who build the shells, and we get them off those.
Excellent. So it's an adventure walking around a boatyard. This is yacht, should be about 15 metres. It's been in here nearly 20 years. but actually they've just finished copper coating, so she must be getting close to going back in the water. Maybe another 5 years. Now when we walked past the travel lift the other day, they were jacking her up, or had her jacked up, and they were working on this leg here. They had to drop that entire wheel and leg assembly out to renew the bearing. The bearing was in quite a bad state, as was the spindle actually. And I think in this pile here, yes, there is the brass bearing or bronze bearing. They've taken out to cut that out. That's quite a beast. I think they said it was about £2,000 just for the bearing. That's our Manitou, our front end loader. I was actually driving that last time I was on duty, on days. Bit of a beast. And so that was Lainey Cain from Cain Narrow Boats. Unfortunately it's a bit short of time today, so we couldn't see on board, but we'll catch up with her at a later date when she's got more time, and we'll have a look on board one, probably when it's finished. And we were treated to a firework display for the Christmas lights switch on.